All rise. Judge Vanda B. Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1051, Casey case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, Mr. Casey, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
I need some money, Judge.
I do too. So what does that have to do with me?
You know, I got 5 kids and I get paid.
Okay.
The courtroom opens with Judge Vanda B. taking her seat. Mr. Casey, a father of 5, steps forward with one clear message. He needs child support. Right off the bat, the tension is real. Mr. Casey isn't playing around. He says he's doing it alone and wants the mother held financially responsible.
So you want to get paid for raising your own kids?
If I gotta raise them by myself, you know what I'm saying?
Let me help you out.
Yeah,
so you want some child support for the 5 kids you're raising by yourself?
No Section 8, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing this myself.
Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Because I'm a good person. I'm a good person.
Where are the children's mom?
As good as mine. You know what I'm saying? Hey, she got served.
Right,
You know?
she did.
Like that movie, she got served. She got served.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see that she did get served, so we can move forward with whatever it is, you know, that you want to do with placing her on child support.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't y'all have what does like that default stuff?
Yeah, you can do a default. Definitely, she was served. So yeah, we can move forward and do a default.
Judge Vanda checks. Were the papers served? Mr. Casey confirms, jokingly referencing the dance film, "You got served." But make no mistake, this is serious business. The judge says she's willing to move forward with a default judgment since the mom didn't show up after being legally served. Judge Vanda needs one thing, proof of the mom's income, but Mr. Casey fumbles. He throws out random numbers. 45. No, wait. 47. Maybe 90. The judge's patience is running low, and it's clear she's not amused.
Mr. Casey,
Yes, Judge.
do you want me to help you or not? Okay.
I do. Yes, Judge. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, Your Honor.
let's go ahead and wrap this up. How much money does she make a year?
45.
Okay.
47.
Is it 45 or 47?
Probably about 90. 45, 47, 90.
You obviously came here to waste my time.
No, I came to get paid.
Okay, so which one is it? Is it 45, 47, 90?
All of them. Sometimes she get 45.
You know what?
Sometimes she get 47.
I'm going to ask you one more
Sometimes
time,
she get 90.
and I'm not going to ask again because my patience are wearing very thin. How much money
Wait, Judge,
does
wait.
Judge, how much money does the mother of your children make?
Your patients are wearing thin or is one?
Judge Vanda gives him one last chance. How much does she make? She asks. But instead of a real answer, Mr. Casey keeps rambling. And just like that, boom, the tone changes. The judge, visibly frustrated, shuts it down. Case dismissed. "You came to waste my time," she says flatly. And let's be honest, she's not wrong. No documents, no numbers, no real case. Mr. Casey pleads for help, but the judge isn't budging. She's been in court all day, and she's not about to gamble justice on shaky claims. Even as Mr. Casey begs, Judge Vanda holds her ground. "You're gonna work even harder refiling this case." And honestly, she's right. This isn't just about parenting. It's about respecting the legal process.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
Whoa, Judge. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm
well,
sorry.
you know what? I
Judge,
am too.
I had a long day. Look, Judge, I even tried to bring my cup in here. They wouldn't let me.
Right, and it needs to go back under the
Judge.
table where you had it.
Judge, it's been a long day.
It has been a long day. I've heard cases all day,
I'm
and
sorry,
you came in
please.
here to waste my time.
Please don't dismiss my case. I need some help. These 5 kids are killing me. And, you know, I work hard and...
You know what? I work hard too, and you're gonna work even harder going back to refile this case because I'm dismissing it today. Obviously, you came in here to waste my time. You couldn't even be honest about mom's income, and I was willing to move forward with a default because she was properly served and did not show up. But I am not going to do that until you come in here and are willing to be truthful.
Yeah.
So if there is nothing further Your case is dismissed. You are free to leave.
I'm willing to be
Thank
free.
you.
I don't want to leave yet. That's how we're gonna do it, though. All right, that's cool.
Now the tone shifts to education. Judge Vonda breaks it down. In Texas, if you get served and don't show, you automatically lose by default. But even if you show up, you better come correct. She gets specific. Inflated incomes, made-up figures, or vague claims won't fly in her courtroom. Not only will you lose, you risk legal consequences. She stresses this isn't just a courtroom, it's real life.
Hi guys, it's me. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Casey case. Well, Dad had a legitimate reason to get a default. What is a default? Remember, in Texas, if someone is served to participate in a lawsuit and they do not show up to court, the court can move forward with whatever the person who brought the case before the court was asking the court to do. Well, this one was a little interesting, right? So when Dad shows up asking the court to place Mom on child support, he didn't know what her income was. He gave 3-4 different numbers. You have to know this information in order for the court to be able to assist you in what it is that you wanted. So that's the reason you saw that his case was dismissed, and maybe at a later time he can come back, and then at that time, hopefully he has.
As the judge wraps up the lesson, she reminds everyone that child support cases require preparation. Even if the other party doesn't show, you still need to bring your side of the story with facts. The final message lands like a gavel strike. If you want relief from the court, show up ready. Honesty, preparation, and evidence. Those are the keys. Judge Vonda B doesn't just drop the case, she drops wisdom. If you're here for real, court drama and realer lessons, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. This is your front row seat to justice, raw, unfiltered, and unforgettable.